Today we're going to be cleaning up these canvas Vans that have definitely seen better days. We're going to be cleaning up these sneakers using the Reshoevn8r Signature Cleaning Kit paired with a couple other products. Let's take a look at these sneakers. To start on this cleaning, we are going to be setting one sneaker aside for before and after purposes. Next step, to insert the adjustable shoe tree. The shoe tree is inserted. Our shoe trees adjust from a size 6 to a size 13, and we also do sell extra large bars on our website as well. If you wear bigger than a size 14, those stretch from a 14 to an 18. The main purpose of the shoe tree is to allow us to put as much pressure on this toe box when cleaning. It helps mostly on the tougher materials like canvas and mesh to get deeper into the materials, and when you're cleaning leather shoes, it'll help hold the shape of the sneaker and push out all of those creases that you might have from daily wear. Now that the shoe tree is inserted, we need to add 2 squirts of solution to our 4-ounce bowl of water. Our cleaning solution is super concentrated, so a little bit goes a long way. You really only need 2 squirts, and our 4-ounce bottle of solution should clean up to 60 pairs of shoes. Now we're going to be taking our soft bristle brush and tackling the entire uppers. For the first step of our soft bristle brush, I chose to dry brush the sneaker to remove the surface dirt and grime. That way I didn't push it further into the canvas material. Canvas is already a very hard material to clean, so you don't want to push all of the dirt into it. The main purpose of the soft bristle brush is to create the most bubbles possible to really break down the top layers of the grime. These are canvas, so they are 100% going to go in the washing machine. But the pre-treatment definitely starts with breaking down as much as you can before you get a full deep clean with the laundry system. Now we're going to be using our microfiber towel to wipe off this first layer of soap to see what the sneaker looks like. Overall, the sneaker still looks super dingy. I don't really think that the soft brush is going to do much more for this sneaker, so we're going to be moving on to our medium bristle brush. I'm going to go over the canvas material one more time to break over that dirt, and then we're going to hit this midsole. There's been mud on these sneakers for who knows how long. Not even gonna lie, before I started at Reshoevn8r, these were my daily wearers, and I beat them to the ground. They've been sitting in my closet for the last 3 years, and they've been looking like this. So let's get that medium brush. The medium bristle brush really is our all-purpose brush. It works great on the rubber midsoles, but it also works great on canvas materials, leather materials. You can use it on knit or mesh sometimes. You just have to be really careful, but it overall is the best brush. Alright, after a pass with the medium brush, the midsole is definitely looking better. Took care of that 3-year-old mud like a charm. There's no more over here. The canvas is still looking super dingy. It'll mostly get flushed out in the laundry system, so I'm not too concerned about that. Now for the last step of the pre-treatment, we're going to be moving on to this outsole using our stiff bristle brush. The stiff bristle brush is the toughest in our arsenal. It works really well on outsoles as well as on painted midsoles. You don't want to use it on a painted midsole because you can chip the paint, but you're just going to apply pressure to the bottom of the sole and scrub as you want to remove all of that grime that collects on the bottom of your sneakers when you wear them every day. One thing that I'm noticing is around the Vans logo, there is still some trapped in stains. I'm going to go ahead and hit that with our stiff bristle brush and see if we can remove those stains. When using the stiff bristle brush on this portion, I did want to be super careful not to hit the canvas. Since it is such a stiff brush, I don't want to cause any damage to the canvas material, so I just had to be really delicate. It looks like the stains are coming off, but I'm still going to scrub it with our microfiber towel for extra detail before I throw it in the washing machine. Alright, pre-treatment's done. Now I'm not even gonna lie, the sneakers still look super dingy. It is wet, it still needs to go in the laundry machine, but the midsole and the outsole do look really good just from the pre-treatment. So now I'm just going to be putting this in our sneaker laundry bag. I am leaving the shoe tree inserted so that it holds the form of the sneaker in the washing machine. Alright, sneaker is inserted in the laundry bag. Now the main benefit of this laundry bag is that it will scrub the sneaker throughout the entire cleaning process. They can fit up to a size 13 sneaker, but since we only have one shoe, there is still a ton of room in here. Last step before we head to the washing machine, I need to insert our laundry pod straight into this little pouch right here. Laundry pod is inserted. Now one single laundry pod packs enough power to clean 4 pairs of sneakers. We only have one shoe, so it should clean up really good. We're going to be washing these on a normal cycle with cold water, and then we'll allow the sneaker to air dry and evaluate the results to determine if we need a second wash. Let's head to the washing machine. But wait, before we do that, check out this cleaning mat. Our cleaning mat is highly absorbent and it is machine washable, so you can use it for as many cleans as you want. Keeps your cleaning station perfectly clean. Just gonna pick this up, throw it in with your normal laundry, and you'll be good to use it on your next clean. Got the shoe out of the washing machine and allowed it to dry on the fan for just a couple hours, and overall this van cleaned up really nice. Midsole is back to white, got all of that mud and grime off of that rubber material, and then the canvas cleaned up really good. I am noticing a little bit of fading in the green, so we are going to be using our Rejuvenator mink oil to try to bring that color back. Now in spraying mink oil, you want to hold the can just about 6 to 8 inches away from the shoe and spread an even layer on the shoe. You do want to do it in a well-ventilated area. It's best to do it outside. Then we'll take our soft bristle brush and we'll just rub it into the materials. Mink oil has a lot of benefits. One of the main benefits is bringing back the color in different materials, mostly suede and nubuck. It did do a little bit on the green portions of the sneaker. Not seen it a ton on the toe box with the checkers, but it also conditions materials such as leather and suede as well, so it makes your sneakers last longer. Now that we got that out of the way, let's check out the before and afters. Overall, it's a night and day difference. Now I do want to point out one little spot on the back of this sneaker. I don't know if you can see it, but there is some grease on the cream part of this checkerboard. It didn't come off fully. We tried a couple different methods, but ultimately it's stuck in there. Sometimes there's just stains that don't want to come out, and canvas is one of the trickiest materials to clean, so it happens. But overall, these vans cleaned up really great. We achieved these results using our Rejuvenator Signature Cleaning Kit, paired with a couple other products that you can find at rejuvenator.com. We used our cleaning mat, our drying rack and bowl combo, mink oil, and our laundry pods. You can pick up all of those today by using my link in the description to save 10% off. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. If you liked today's video, hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you guys again soon in the next Shoe Care Academy video.